Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to post a photo on Facebook in 2025. Whether you're sharing a cherished memory, a stunning view, or just a fun moment, this step-by-step process will have your photo live in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once it's loaded, look at the top of your news feed. You'll see a text box that says, "What's on your mind?" Tap on it to begin creating your post. Next, select the photo/video option from the menu that appears. This will open up your phone's photo gallery. Scroll through your images and choose the photo you want to share. You can select one or multiple photos depending on what you'd like to post. Now that your photo is selected, it's time to personalize your post. Add a caption if you'd like. This could be a fun description, a meaningful quote, or even just an emoji. Captions are optional but can make your post more engaging and relatable. Once you're happy with your caption, it's time for the final step, posting your photo. Simply tap the post button and voila, your photo is now live on Facebook for your friends and followers to see. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully shared a moment with the world. Remember, Facebook also allows you to adjust privacy settings for each post if you want to control who can see it. So go ahead and start sharing those memories. You've got this.